Hi, 7th grade honor students and 8th graders. All right, so we have 2 more lessons in this chapter and we are done with 8th grade math for the year. Getting ready for STAR test will be next. All right, so financial responsibility and irresponsibility is what we're learning about today. So financial responsibility is basically the process of managing money and other similar assets in a way that is considered productive. Okay, and it's also going to be in the best interest of the individual, the family, or the business. Because you're going to have to be financially responsible when you have a family, when you run a business. So financial irresponsibility would be the opposite of financial responsibility. So maybe, not spending money wisely, maybe making really dumb purchases in dumb ways, not paying back loans, getting your car repossessed. That's going to be financially irresponsible. Actually, well, we can talk about that later. All right, guys, so today should be fairly easy, a lot of common sense involved. Nice. So I'm going to have to use an online loan calculator for part of this problem. So I'm going to stop and then go to another and then come back. All right, so we're going to decide if each decision made is financially responsible or financially irresponsible. And then we're going to identify the benefit or the cost of each decision. All right, so let's look at number 1. Mr. McDonald has saved $3,500 towards the purchase of a new $10,809 tractor. He plans to use the $3,500 saved as a down payment to take out a loan on the remaining amount. The interest rate is 2.75% and the term of the loan is 3 years. So he wants to pay the tractor off in 3 years. So let's look. With the down payment, he only needs, if you look over here, he's only going to need to borrow from the bank is $7,309. That's all he needs to borrow from the bank. 3 years or 36 months, interest rate 2.75%. So his monthly payments are going to be $211.75. That part doesn't really matter. Let's see. Actually, it does matter. We're going to use our calculator. So what I want to do is I'm going to take that monthly payment, $211.75, and I'm going to multiply it by 36 because that's how many payments he's going to make. 36 payments, okay? That is going to end up being, he's paying in total $7,623, okay? But he borrowed, this is what he pays, okay? He pays this. He borrows this, okay? He borrows $7,309. So I'm going to subtract that from the 36 payments, 7,309. So he ends up paying $314 to borrow money from the bank so he can get this tractor. All right, so let's see what it would be. I'm going to have to go to online calculator. And let's see what it would be if he did not borrow or did not have a down payment, okay? So we'll go to another screen in just a second. And this is already preset. So I'm going to reset it. So what we're buying, we're buying a $10,809 tractor. So I'm borrowing $10,809. The loan term is 3 years or 36 months. And the interest is 2.75%. So I'm going to calculate this. All right, so the total interest paid that I'm going to pay for this, it even tells me right here, $464. Okay, so to borrow, I'm writing this down, sorry, $464.37. All right, so let's go back to the other screen and let's talk about this. So when we looked at the first one with the $3,000 down payment, he's only going to be spending $314 to borrow the money. Here, he's going to be paying back $464.37. He did make a financially responsible decision because he's paying less to borrow money with putting the down payment down, okay? So I feel like, and I'm sure everybody in America or their right mind would feel like, yes, that was a financially responsible decision, okay? So let's look at number 2. Mila is buying diapers for her son. Diaper costs $19. And let me erase what I got up here from the last problem. Sorry. Okay, diapers cost $19.47 for a 100 count box. So you can get 100 diapers for $19.47 and $44.11 for 276 count box. She has a coupon for 10% off each 100 count box she buys. She buys 2 100 count boxes and uses a coupon. So let's figure out how much it cost per diaper for, let's do the easy one, 276. So we're going to take 200 on our calculator. You're going to put in 276 diapers, and we're going to divide it by, I'm lying, sorry. We're going to, not 276, we're doing the 44. We're going to do $44.11, and we're going to divide that, the money, by the diapers. Sorry, 276. Okay, so it cost about, I'm going to go to the nearest decimal, or cent, or, yeah, penny. Okay, so I have, for 276 count, I have 0.159, which equals about 16 cents a diaper. Okay, that's pretty cheap. I mean, yeah, you go through a lot in a day, people. All right, so she has a coupon for 10% off each 100 count she buys. She buys 2 100 count boxes. So let's figure out how much it would be for one 100 count, and then let's just double that. All right, so she gets 10% off $19.47. So let's find out how much 10% of $19.47. So we're going to multiply $19.47 times, and remember, we can't multiply by percent with money. We have to change it. So it ends up being 0.1. Okay, so we're going to do 19.47 times 0.1. And we get $1 or 1.947. So we're going to subtract that. We get, let's see, 1947 times 0.1 is 1.947. Okay, so we're going to subtract that from 1947 minus 1.947. Okay, so minus 1947 minus 1.947. And you get 17,523. And we're going to divide that by 100. Okay, I'm going to divide that by 100, and you get 0.1752. So it's about 0.18 cents a diaper. So it's about 18 cents a diaper, y'all. So even if she bought 200 diapers, it's still 18 cents a diaper. If she buys this without using a coupon, she buys 276 diapers, it's 16 cents a diaper. It's cheaper to buy the 276 count box of diapers. Guys, that's not a financially responsible decision. Yeah, I get it's 2 cents different, but we're talking about 76 more diapers than here. Okay, so this would not be a financially smart decision. Just because you have a coupon for something does not mean that it's going to be cheaper and a better buy. Okay, we're going to do a couple more. So let's look at number 3. Ty is saving to buy an outdoor patio set that costs $600. He has saved $450. Last week, the patio set was on sale for 30% off, but Ty decided not to buy it because he wanted to spend $55 on a video game. So let's figure out, okay, so $600. Let's see how much 30% off. So we know 30% in decimal form is 0.3 because we're going to boom, boom, 2 places. So times 0.3, and then whatever we get, we're going to subtract it from 600. All right, so 600 times I had to put the wrong button, sorry, 0.3 is $180. Okay, so 600 minus $180 is, it would have cost him $420 to buy that patio set. He saved $450, but he used $55 to buy a video game. This is not financially responsible. He could have bought that patio set for less than what he has saved for it. So this was not a financially responsible decision, okay? All right, well, let's look at this one. Let's go ahead. Let me erase. Okay. So Piper has $40 to purchase 9 dozen personalized pens for a company. The stationery store sells the pens for $4.80 a dozen. Or you can get 10 dozens for $39.75. Piper buys 10 dozen pens. Okay, so let's figure out how much is it for a dozen pens. So 12 pens is, we'll find out, and then 10 dozen, which is 10 times 12, which is 120 pens. Okay, so let's see how much 120 pens would cost per pen. Okay, so we're going to take the $40. Oh, wait, no, she has $40 to purchase 9 dozen pens. Okay, the stationery sells pens for $4.80 per dozen. Okay, so let's see. 4.8 divided by 12. That's going to be 40 cents a pen for 12 pens. Okay. So that's going to be 40 cents a pen. All right, now she could buy 120 pens, 10 dozen for $39.75. So let's do 39.75 divided by 120. Ooh, that is 33 cents a pen. Okay, so she decides to go ahead and buy the 10 dozen pens. Yes, that is a financially responsible decision because you can get way more pens for cheaper. They're 33 cents for each pen. Where you buy just a dozen, it's 40 cents a pen. Okay, let's look at this last one and then we're done. Okay, I know I'm trying not to make it long, guys, but this is a life lesson that you guys should know. All right, number 5. Noah wants to buy a gas grill that costs $219 in the store. He finds a grill online for $189. The shipping cost is $55. Noah buys the grill online. All right, so obviously $219 in the store or $189 plus $55. That's $244. So that's not a financially responsible decision. Go to the store at $219. He spent $25 more because it was $244 to buy online, or you could go to the store and get it for $219. So you paid $25 extra to have it shipped than what he could have saved $25. You could have bought the store and then took your hot girlfriend out on a date, Noah. So why did we do this? That was not smart. Men do stupid things sometimes, girls. I don't know why, but they do. Anyway, and I'm joking. My husband's very financially responsible. So the only way that may be a responsible decision, kinda, I would see is like people who live here, like in Fairfield. Like, we don't have very many stores. We don't have Home Depots and Lowe's and Walmarts to go to. So in our case, it may be worth it to buy it online, have it shipped, then drive and spend $20, $30 in gas. But for argument's sake, we are living in the town. We're living in Dallas, okay? So we have a bunch of places to go. All right, so really that's not a financially responsible decision. I hope if you have any questions that you would have raised your hand and asked them. Good luck on your assignment.